It's really exciting to be here today. Right? The combination of the location between the hospital, the university and the innovation centre feels like to me a huge asset, not just for the city of Birmingham but for the UK overall. When we think of the access to talent, the geographical proximity, but also the access to data that'll help us create both economic benefit and health outcomes, it feels really unique and more people need to know about that. Health and life sciences is really important in the government's agenda. We have a 10-year industrial strategy, 8 really key growth areas for that, and life sciences is one of the most important. So for me, it's not just about the economic benefit of that, but really making sure that our regional development is prioritised and our health outcomes for the nation as well. So those combination of those things together make Birmingham a real opportunity and centre for excellence for the UK.